Welcome, dear judicial service aspirants. Yesterday evening was wonderful when we had taken an exercise to locate word culture in the text of our constitution. We could locate it in the chapter of fundamental duties. Article 51A, the fundamental duties, is having sixth duty as to value and preserve rich heritage of our composite culture. The concept-wise, it is composite culture, and institutional foundation-wise is the culture. Culture as composite culture is the phrase availed by us for our text. The Constitution of India is having a phrase, composite culture. As we have designed for ourselves an exercise that let us think and express ourselves about culture, here is the hint. The hint is that we are having our national academies. We are having our national academies. These national culture academies are Lalit Kala Academy, Natya Kala Academy, Sangeet Kala Academy, and Sahitya Kala Academy. Let us be through the main aim of these academies to promote and propagate understanding of Indian art, both within and outside the country. The Government of India established Lalit Kala Academy, National Academy of Arts, New Delhi in 1954. The Academy has regional centers and is engaged for excellence in this domain. Sangeet Natak Academy is another academy, and parallel to them are also the National School of Drama and Sahitya Academy. These academies present are of the legal status of society. However, their importance is deep-rooted. We, as students, when visit to the ideals of these academies, then we shall be enriching our intelligence. Intelligence and consciousness are the gateways for these values of culture. Let us express ourselves fully. Let us know about the activities and attainments of these national culture academies, and then express ourselves. These expressions of ours are going to be our index of our understanding of these values. Thank you.